Okay, will you feed yourself? Good job! You did it! Good job, baby Kate. I'm so proud of you. Today, Kate started to feed herself. You're getting so good, Kate. I'm so impressed. Here's another piece. Do you want to pick it up for me? Uh-oh, it fell. Let's get you another one. There's one. Oh, you missed. There you go. You got it in. Oh, it came out. That one was hard, huh? How about the other one? Good job. Sometimes they get a little soggy, huh? Yeah. Kate, you're growing up so big, so fast.